You found yourself searching for pencil round skirting boards. Maybe you already know what they are, but if not, what do they look like? To put it simply, it's a skirting board with a round edge on the top. On our website, they're described and sold as Bullnose skirting boards or even the mini Bullnose. You'll find that many manufacturers often use different names for their designs, but the shape actually looks the same. As discussed earlier, most suppliers will choose one of these names when they're describing a skirting board with a round curve on the top front edge. Between suppliers, there may well be small differences. For example, the radius of the curve may be different. The curve may go all the way to the back of the board, or it might go to a flat section. The round curve may be completely round, or it might have a straight edge before it finishes. The above are just some of the differences you can have between Bullnose or pencil round skirting designs. In theory, when purchasing a skirting board product with this name, you should expect to receive a design that is simply a small round curve. Nothing more, nothing less. We can offer various different round curves. Our Bullnose is 10mm, our mini Bullnose is 6mm, and we also have a cutter that will do a 3mm round. With this in mind, always remember to check with the supplier if you're in doubt about the radius of the round curve. If you're trying to match existing skirting boards, you'll need to check to make sure they match up when fitted. If need be, we also offer a bespoke design service which can match almost any design out there. One possible reason why the skirting is popular is because it is such a simple design. This enables it to work well in almost any interior. Also, because it doesn't have any fancy profiling, it's a breeze to clean and also really easy to decorate. When installing pencil round skirting, it's much easier for carpenters to mitre and join together due to the design just being a simple round curve. Generally, this style of skirting is purchased in height between 95mm and 145mm. Because it's only a very small profile, it doesn't make sense to purchase it on a large board. This is normally for the fancier profiles available on the market. If you want something that's not going to draw too much attention but doesn't have the sharp edges like square edge skirting, pencil round skirting boards are the way to go. This will also help with making your interior decorations stand out. It is also a good choice if you have young children or pets to avoid unnecessary injuries from sharp edges that may be present on other designs. Yes, you can get pencil round architrave to match the skirting board design. This enables you to create a uniform look within the interior. The smallest width we do as standard online is 70mm or just under 3 inches. However, due to how little space this design takes up on a board, we are able to make them much smaller. We get a lot of customers asking for 50mm wide or just under 2 inches, and even smaller. If you have a specific size in mind, just let us know and we'll let you know if we can do it or not. And that concludes another video. Hopefully you found it useful and insightful, and until next time, we will see you in our next video.